Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm going to be unboxing The Emperor's New Groove and Kronk's New Groove 2-movie collection on Blu-ray. Never seen either of these movies. These were part of this month's featured title from Disney Movie Club. I just got it today. I'm excited to have these movies. Never seen it, but I'll probably like it because I'm a big Disney fan and a big animation fan. So here's the spine, 2-movie collection. Doesn't list special features on the back here. It probably does inside, but let's read this stuff. Region free, rated G. I guess both are rated G. I don't know if the runtime is on here, but let's take the slip cover off. I'm looking for the runtime and I don't see it. Okay, I found it. But the back is the same as the slipcover, and the runtime for Emperor's New Groove is 78 minutes, and the runtime for Kronk's New Groove is 75 minutes. So they're pretty short. Let's open it up. I'm really glad this isn't, it doesn't have the little lock on the side. Some of the Disney movies are doing that now, but this doesn't have that. There's a Disney Movie Rewards code. And just got your standard Blu-ray disc with both movies on it. And your DVD disc. Or 2 discs, because the movies are separate on DVD. Alright guys, there's my unboxing of The Emperor's New Groove and Kronk's New Groove 2-movie collection on Blu-ray. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.